We have next example. It is third degree inequality. So first we have to make the left side equal 0. So it will be s to third power minus s equal 0. We can factor s, so we will have s squared minus 1 in parentheses equal 0. When the left side equal 0, when s will be 0 or s squared minus 1 will be 0. First equation is solved already, so the second we can move -1 to the right side, so will be s squared equals 1. So s equals 1 or s can be -1 because -1 raised to second power will be 1 or 1 raised to second power will be 1. So we have 3 roots. Now we have to check how many times these roots repeat. 0, s is to power first. It means 0 repeats 1 time. The content of this parenthesis is raised to first power. It means our roots repeat 1 time. So next we have to draw number line s and we have to place our roots. We have -1, 0 and 1. Next we have to check the sign of coefficient of our variable s. With the highest power is s to third power is positive. It means we have to draw our graph from positive value and always we start from the right side, and we are going to first root because 1 repeats 1 times. We can pass this root. We are going to 0. 0 repeats 1 times, so we can pass this 0, and we are going to -1. -1 repeats 1 time. We can pass this -1. Now, because we have sign less than or equal, it means our roots are included. So I will just draw the circle. Now we have to find where our inequality is less than or equal 0. So less, it means whatever is under our number line s. This part is under and this. So we can write our intervals is from -infinity to -1, and -1 is included, so I have to close this interval, and we have a second interval from 0 to 1 close. This is our solution.